For most people, a mortgage feels like a 30-year burden. We see it differently. Structured the right way, your mortgage becomes the tool to halve that time frame and leverage equity into building real wealth. Charter Finance is not transactional. We're the partner that professionals and high net worth families trust to guide them over the years. Adapting strategies as life changes, helping our clients grow their equity, protect their wealth, and scale their portfolios. It's never about today's deal. It's about your family's tomorrow. Book a strategy call and let's map out your long-term wealth plan.